guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Stella and today we got an apartment tour just like you all asked. So I moved into this apartment a couple of months back. It's downtown, so everything is in walking distance, and I am just trying to make it feel like home. I think I'm doing pretty well. I'm enjoying my stay here. Dexter is also enjoying his stay here. Yeah, so let me tour you. It's not big, so I mean the tour is gonna start here. Let's see. So walking in from here, this is a very ugly color. I didn't pick it. I'm renting this place. Keychain, beautiful. The dog is over there. I have a fake plant because I kill all my plants, as some of you might know. I have my big mirror over here. Hello. Dog's bed. Some boxes that I have some books from when I was going to uni. Then we walk on my working space, let's say. Here is my desk, the mood board we just made in a previous video. It's, you know, I try to make it cozy as much as I can. I have a lot of drawers because I have a lot of things to put in. PC's down there. This is a bed sofa, I think it's called. So sometimes I use it as a sofa, but usually I sleep in it. So yeah. We got some string lights, which are always getting in my face and getting tangled. How professional. Okay. Some more fake plants. Pennywise, which I can't say I have a crush on him, but I just like Pennywise a lot. There's my collection of figures and some more pop figures over here. I really need to rearrange them so that you can see all of them, but yeah, they're pretty cool. Here I have some storage. Here's my washing machine. Dexter's toys. Walking in here. There is this room, which I love spending time in. It's the room where I film my videos for makeup and stuff like that. A little library, which is not in shape. I got some wall art. And so here's my wardrobe. Should I open my wardrobe? Sure. I don't think you're gonna love it. Maybe sometime we need to just reorganize it. Some accessories. Another mirror, hello. And all my degrees. I walked too very fast through them so that you don't see how bad my grades were. I'm joking. Here are some of my designs. Oh, let's see. Yeah. This is from when I was going to fashion school. It was a good time. So much fun. And here we have the bathroom, which is so tiny. It is really tiny. But yeah, it is what it is. Do I really wanna? Yeah, I guess. That's some of my things over here that I use to wash my face and make myself smell good. Down here, more of that stuff. Toothbrush and tongue cleaner and floss. Always floss. Some more things to make the place smell nice. Well, that's small, but that's the shower. And here is the kitchen. You can see I have some fruit. Coffee, always needed here. I cleaned my dishes for you for this video, so hooray. And I don't know, this kitchen is really cute. I actually loved it since the first time I saw the place, and it's part of why I decided to pick this place to rent. But yeah, our adventure fan has nothing in it. And what else? I think that's the whole place. Hi. Hello. So, okay, you guys. So, yeah, that's the whole place. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed showing my little tiny studio to you guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Turn the bell on. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm always just posing in this mirror.